Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this video, we will explain how to update or change product pricing by the broker or brand admin when allowed by the printer, vendor, or supplier. Let's get started. From the navigation panel, click Product, then Manage Prices and Next Product Price. Now let's select the product that you would like to change the pricing. For this example, we'll use bookmarks. We'll now select the pricing we would like to change. Additional options price is all that is allowed when pricing has been determined by the printer vendor. We can now make any adjustments to the pricing needed. When completed with your changes, remember to click Save. Let's explain how to use Product Option Price Bulk Update. This is very useful when making changes to several products. First, select the price category of fixed quantity, range-based quantity, or custom size. Apply a price on quantity of greater or equal to, less or equal to, or equal to. We must enter a value for bulk price update and choose either fixed increase, fixed decrease, percentage increase, or percentage decrease. Lastly, select the product or products you would like to assign to this update, and click Submit. We have now successfully performed a product option price bulk update. Another option is Import Modified Price by Base Price Product Selection and Option Price Product Selection. We'll first select the printer for the change. Then product type, the price defining method, and the organization. Next, download the CSV for edits. We'll perform the same steps for Option Price Product Selection. When completed, click the Next button for help with uploading your updated pricing CSV file. That's it! If you have questions or challenges, our support gurus are always available via chat. Thanks for watching.